Hey sis, let's talk for a minute. This video is for the woman who keeps saying, I want to write a book, but I don't have the time. And I get it. Life is full. You're raising kids, working, building, showing up, and trying to keep your peace all in the middle of it, right? But let me shift your mindset and show you a method that works because you can write a book in this season. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Before I do, hey, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and I am a mini her book author. Now, what is a mini her book? A mini her book is a short book that's 50 pages or less. You take your knowledge, your expertise. I even have some clients that are writing fiction, mini her books, but you make a living doing that, okay, on the front end of your business. Now, on the back end of your business, we create digital products, memberships, courses to go along with the book to help us to build that soft life business. I am personally all about ease. I am all about having a business that aligns with my values, aligns with me, aligns with the woman that I am. And I like a soft business. I don't like DMing people. I don't like sending cold emails. I'm not trying to build this massive, big old publishing company. I used to, but I had to center myself to really figure out what I want. And actually, a big part of that, because I am a mom, I am a wife, I homeschool my kids. So I don't have the times to do certain things. However, I do want a business. Okay. I do want to make money online. I do want to maximize my expertise in a way that is convenient for me, but also a big, big win for those that take part of it. The biggest lies about writing a book is that it takes months of isolation and hours of free time. The truth is, you don't need more time. Okay. You just need a framework. You just need a method that fits your real life. Okay. That's why I create mini her books because they are short, they are powerful books. You can write in 7 to 10 days, even with a busy schedule. Now, these books are sometimes 40, 50, 60 pages, no fluff, no filler, just your message, your method, your momentum. It's really not about how long you write. It's about how clear you are and how consistent you can be in those very little moments that you only get already. So let me tell you why short books are not just possible, but they're definitely, definitely profitable. The first thing, readers finish them. Okay, no one's overwhelmed reading 50 pages. I have had people to leave me reviews for my books. They read them in one day. Okay, that's a flex for me that you read my book in a day. What's also a flex is that you take advantage of what I have on the inside of the book. You get into my ecosystem. Does every person that read my book do that? No, but I have majority of people that do. And me writing multiple books only multiplies my efforts, and I love multiplication. Thing, they are faster to write, honey. Okay, you can finish one in a week with a plan. They also lead to offers. Like your mini her book becomes the funnel, a product, a platform, and they build authority. So you get to say, I'm an author without waiting 6 months. Like, who wants to wait 6 months? So instead of saying, I don't have the time, let's ask, what's the simplest way I can share my story, my solution, or my system? So here's a simple process that you can start today, even if you have no time. Okay, so you ready? You got your pen and paper? You got your drink? Let's go. Okay, step number one is voice notes or journals. Okay, use your phone to speak your message out loud. So talk it through, your story, your process, or your steps. Now, on a flip, through your journal. So if you journal, if you already written things down, then take that, okay? And that can become your mini her book as well. Step number 2, then we're going to use the mini her book builder. That's inside my mini her book starter kit. I included an AI powered book builder, okay? So it helps you to outline your book, create your chapter titles, and tell you exactly what to write about, okay? It's like having a co-author and coach like all at the same time. Like it don't get no better than that. Number 3, I want you to commit to 30-minute writing blocks, okay? Not hours, just 30 minutes a day before bed, during nap time, or even right before prayer. Oh, shoot, if you're working on your lunch break. So give your book one focus block a day for at least 7 days, and you'll be shocked at what you can finish when you actually take the plan that's already mapped out and working, honey. Okay? Here's what I need you to know. This isn't just about writing a book, okay? It's more than that. It's about activating your voice. It's about creating income from your knowledge. It's about turning your story into a soft life business. Okay. This is all about alignment. This is all about legacy. And if God gave you the message, yeah, He's going to make room for you to share it. Okay. So if you're ready to write your book, put the time in, so that you can stop talking about it and keep, making it do what it do. I want you to start with the mini her book starter kit. Okay. My mini her book starter kit includes a full mini her framework, my book builder AI tool, and a step-by-step plan to write, to structure, and position your short book for impact and income. Okay. So listen, I got the link down in the description and in the comments to help you to start your author journey fast, girl. Okay. I got your back. I got you. I'm going to leave you with this. Okay. You don't need more time. You need a method. Okay. And I've already built it for you. I've made it easy for you. So let's write this book. Let's build this brand, girl, and let's create some new streams together. All right. So I hope this video got to you and you understand and know that it's go time. All right. So I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. Again, I'm so happy that you are here. You love my vibe. You love my videos. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you are really love me for real, share this with one of your friends who have been talking about writing a book. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.